Hello and welcome. Outages or performance issues in your content and workflow platform have negative effects on user productivity and their end customer satisfaction. Administrators are in a firefighting mode just to keep the lights on, chasing alerts and trying to stop the blame game. This results in high operational costs, compliance exposures, and a reduced ability to innovate. But there is help. IBM ECM System Monitor provides them insight into the health of their applications. Incidents, root causes, and proper responses can be identified much faster, often before an outage occurs. By automating mundane daily checks and providing context both to the administrators and to IT operations 24/7, ESM helps reducing the impact on your business. The administrators are freed up for higher value work and can reduce their mean time to innocence. How does ESM augment existing enterprise solutions like Instana, Dynatrace, and others? ESM provides a functional monitoring, including synthetic user checks, that monitors if the business users can really work with their BA applications. If something relevant happens, the administrators will be alerted immediately. The application-specific metrics and events reported by ESM can be used to respond to incidents earlier and detect resource inefficiencies. ESM covers all content and workflow solutions, as well as their underlying platform from the application perspective. The BA administrators can see what's coming and act immediately, regardless of which component causes the issue. ESM manages both traditional and containerized BA systems, on-premises, in a private cloud or a hybrid cloud. As application-specific solution, ESM augments your central IT automation tools. The event forwarding to solutions like Instana enables you to process BA-specific events in context with other events from applications, middleware, and infrastructure. This will enable IT operations to better understand the BA health 24/7 and improve operational resilience. The performance metrics can also be used to optimize the resource allocation in solutions like Turbonomic, reducing IT spend without sacrificing performance. And ESM can trigger AI-based analysis of incidents using LLMs supporting the OpenAI-compatible API. ESM generates incident-specific prompts, leveraging the knowledge provided by LLMs such as IBM Granite. The response will be shown with the incident details in the ESM dashboard, helping the administrator when troubleshooting. The automated alerting and the fault prevention reduce the impact on the business units, protecting their productivity and end customer experience. Avoiding rework saves cost. The BA team in IT operations finally get insight and early warnings. The automation of daily health checks enables your BA team to focus on higher value work, supporting innovation and platform modernization, instead of just keeping the lights on. In the end, ESM provides peace of mind. One outage avoided can pay for the entire solution. If you would like to know how ESM fits into your BA environment, please do not hesitate to contact me or your IBM representative. Thank you.